I'm Nancy Leader on the Zeta Report.
When Planet X was in the night sky, inbound, early in 2003, it was visible as a smoldering brown dwarf with an immense tail of charged iron oxide dust. When approaching the Sun in 2003, Planet X could be seen when this immense dust cloud reflected sunlight back toward Earth, as in this series of photos from South Africa on November 2, 2003. Clearly a second source of light, this second sun astonished those who saw it during sunrise or sunset. No wonder the chemtrail planes were sent out to fog up the skies. If they don't want you knowing that Planet X is in the vicinity, they don't want you seeing this.
The second sun was visible in those days because sunlight could bounce off the immense cloud that shrouds Planet X. Then it moved closer to the sun and got lost in the sun's glare. But now it's outbound from the sun and moving slightly to the side so we can see it once again.
This is why the folks laying down chemtrails are frantic and have stepped up the pace. Is there any other recent evidence that the outbound Planet X can be seen near the Sun? On December 23, 2008, it was captured by LASCO, showing its long tail. And yes, this is a camera run by the U.S. government. And yes, this is close to the Sun, to the right of the Sun, coming at us in its retrograde orbit. On March 27, 2009, the SOHO cameras faintly captured the shrouded Planet X near the Sun, this time with the legendary appearance of a winged globe. Not a month later, on April 19, 2009, the winged globe appeared again. Both SOHO images show the massive tail of Planet X drifting below. The winged globe of ancient drawings depicts the approaching Planet X, known as Nibiru in those days. And the second sun is back. On April 16, 2009, it was captured on a cell phone in Alberta, Canada. But the most dramatic evidence was collected on April 21, 2009, in Russia, above the Black Sea near the Russian Astronaut Training Center, near Moscow. The photographer took care to show us the differences between filtered and unfiltered shots. First, unfiltered, when the second sun is lost in the glare. Then filtered, when the second sun can be seen as an orb to the right of the sun. This is not a lens flare, as the small orb at the top of the screen is. Lens flares move about, and this to the right of the sun was not moving about. Later, the second sun moved behind a cloud, proving that this orb to the right of the sun was not a reflection on the window. A reflection would remain in front of the cloud, not behind it. And as the sun continued to set, along with the second sun, which is near the sun in our line of sight, from our view, the second sun dropped further behind the cloud. So check your sunset and sunrise views, as you too may catch a glimpse of the second sun.
Until next time on the Zeta Report, this is Nancy Leader.